People ask me all the time, because we do the big hexagon raised garden beds, and you've got about 30 some inches to fill, and you only need about a foot, 6 inches to a foot on top of good soil. So pretty much anything that's not plastic or garbage, right? I like to use logs in the bottom, straw, compost, and then dirt on top. All right, we got a simple raised bed we're going to plant our dahlias in. Everybody knows a woodworker, right? Anytime I talk about woodworking, they say, oh, my brother's a woodworker. Talk to your woodworker friend, because every woodworker has a ton of scraps. I just happen to have all these 2x4s laying around from a project. These are 3-inch cutoffs. Or another idea, go to a construction site, look in the dumpster, you'll find every chunk of 2x4 you could ever need. Do that. Or get 8 2x4s, 8-foot 2x4s, and cut them in 3-inch chunks. You'll have what I got here. Capiche? The reason I like the 3-inch, my thought process is I got 6 inches of bed. I thought if it tipped up, I'm still going to have 3 inches of soil above this block. And I wanted them chunky enough that the water is going to run, slowly decompose over time. The trick is you got to set each one of these individually in a row in a certain pattern. Otherwise, it won't work. Just kidding. Just dump them in. You know what's funny is I see potential in every one of these scraps. Hey, maybe we should have a moment of silence. You guys were good. In my brain, it's working like a rock in the raised bed. And what's cool is because this isn't treated or stained or painted or anything, it's just raw wood. So it's a raw 2x4. Dahlias are really susceptible to slugs and other pests. So I wouldn't want to bring in with the log a slug or something. So I used 2x4s. They've been heat treated. There's nothing alive in them.